I'm super excited to share with you what's inside my PUSHEEN winter box. First thing I see is this beautiful postcard, and in the back it just tells you all the products that you got inside this month's box. The first thing in the box is this cute hooded blanket, and it's perfect for those cold winter days. We also got a set of double-sided pillows. In the front it says morning, and in the back of the pillow it says night, and both of them are standard size. The next item we got were these cozy PUSHEEN socks. To keep your ears warm during the winter, we got these cute earmuffs. To win these earmuffs, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below with your Instagram handle. Make sure you're also following me on Instagram. The next item we got was this PUSHEEN garland, and it's perfect for your wall, your window, or door. I currently have it on top of my bed. We also got 2 holiday greeting cards. The next item we got were these PUSHEEN stencils to decorate your lattes using cocoa or cinnamon. Last but not least, we have the PUSHEEN vinyl figures, and this is my favorite part of each box. They're just always so well made and cute. This one features PUSHEEN and Stormy building a snowman. In case you're wondering, on my nails I have Dimension Nails Plush Berry Gel Polish. You can use code LAURA20 for 20% off your entire purchase. Here's a quick overview of all the products we received in PUSHEEN's winter box. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite item. Also, don't forget to enter the giveaway to win the PUSHEEN earmuffs. Make sure you check the info bar below for all the rules. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.